Xmas is a season of joy, family celebration, and what better way to capture the holiday spirit than through crafting your own ornaments and decorations? For centuries, people have decorated their homes and For centuries, people have decorated their homes with handmade touches from paper stars and knitted stocking to paint baubles and wooden figurines. But beyond the beauty, these crafts bring a world of benefits that make the season even more special. In this voice, in this video, we explore the many advantages of Xmas craft ornament and decoration, from boosting creativity to strengthening family bonds to spreading joy and even supporting sustainability. You will see why handmade Xmas crafts are much more than just pretty decorations. One of the most obvious benefits is creativity. Crafting ornaments gives both children and adults the chance to design something truly unique. Instead of relying on store bought decorations that look the same in every home, you get to add your personal styles, colors, choices, and imagination. I hope you can understand what I'm talking about. X-Mix Craft, painted wooden ornaments, foamy sheet ornaments, glittery paper, snowflakes, salt dough shapes, or upcycle mason jars, lanterns. Each piece reflects a little part of you. This creative freedom is more than just fun. It builds confidence, releases stress, and inspires new ideas. And when the holidays are over, that creative energy often carries forward into other parts of life. Xmas Craft is also brings families together. Imagine a chilly December evening, everyone gathered around the table with scissors, glue, paint, and glitter spread out across the surface. Watch my video and getting ideas from this video. Parents, children, and even grandparents can join in, working on projects side by side. These simple moments of teamwork and laughter create lasting memories that no store bought ornaments could ever replace. And for kids, it's not just about fun, it's about learning. They develop patience, focus, and problem solving skills while creating something with their own hands. At the same time, they learn family tradition passed down from generation to generation. Crafting ornaments is also a powerful emotional booster. The holiday season can sometimes feel stressful or overwhelming between shopping, planning, and hosting, but sitting down to make something with your hands slows things down. It's a chance to be mindful, to focus on the joy of creating, and to connect with the spirit of Xmas. A study even shows that crafting lowers the stress level, reduces anxiety, and brings a sense of calm. And when you finally hanging your handmade ornaments on the tree or display them around your home, you will feel a special pride and happiness knowing you created those festive touches useful yourself. Another huge benefit is personalization. Every handmade ornament tells a story. Maybe it's your children's first X-Mix ornaments with their handprint. Maybe it's a star you made together as a couple, or maybe it's a finally tradition to craft one new ornament each year. Unlike mass produced decorations, these personal creations carry meanings. Each year, when you unpack them, you are reminded of special moments, milestones, and memories. In this way, handmade ornaments turn into family treasures that grow more valuable with time. Let's be practical. Xmas can be expensive gifts, but food, travel, and store bought decoration add up quickly. Crafting your own ornaments is a budget friendly alternative with just a few inexpensive supplies like paper felt or fabric, buttons, or even recycled jars and bottles. You can create stunning decorations that look every bit as beautiful as the store bought ones. May your home and life fulfilled with love, happiness, and prosperity.